All right, continuing on, we're going to do pieces 13 and 14, which are the trunk tub left and right sides. I've got them separated, all ready to go. Again, just peel off the adhesive backing here. It stays on really good, so that's a good thing. It's just kind of around the edges. Sometimes it sticks a little bit more because the butyl kind of comes out around the edges and grabs it. So, all right, something I didn't mention before, but of course with this, you always want to clean your surfaces, and I already wiped these all down with isopropyl alcohol, like 90%. So you want to make sure you always do that because you want things to stick. So again, just kind of line it up. I'm going to go a little bit higher than these little bottom ridges. Kind of stick it in the corner there. Looks good. And then just do the same thing as last time. Just grab the roller. I like to hit the outlines first because I figure that just kind of makes it grab really well. And then just apply some good solid pressure. It's pressure sensitive adhesive, so you gotta put some pressure on it. And it's a little, probably more than just regular old Dynamat or some of those others, just because it's got the foam. So the foam kind of flexes in too, so it's absorbing some of your pressure. But it's not too bad. Give that get a good workout installing sound deadener in your car. There we go. Dead. Nice. Alright, so we're going to do the other side now. Just going to angle the camera that way. And we'll do this guy. Peel him off. One piece, look at that. Well, almost. See, spoke too soon. It's okay. So we'll do that one too. Taking our time, peeling off the stuff. Okay. Kind of get a rough idea again where it wants to go. Let's just kind of tuck it in that way. Okay. Basically, it's the mirror of the other side, right? So you just do the same thing, kind of push it into place. Kind of hit that perimeter again. And just roll. Roll your dampener gently in the car. There we go. Just push that edge in really good. Again, some contours of the car. There's a little bit of body silicone or body glue or whatever that is. So you just occasionally just kind of have to work around it a little bit. All right. Again, stuck. And of course the tap, tap, tap. Dead. Looks good.